Said, baby, I ain't tryna play with you. I'm just tryna save you from the harm and the old things you've been through. Tryna take you on some trips, yeah. Tryna show you a real nigga. I ain't tryna be a hero, just tryna show you something real, baby. Yeah, for real, baby. I ain't getting all crazy, just tryna show you daffodils, roses, and the daisies. Tryna be romantic, tryna hold to Atlantic. So we go in Pacific, and we ride into the antics. Baby, don't panic, cause I know what you need. A little bit of tree, put your brain on a little bit of freeze. When I touch down there, yeah, I feel that grease. I'm pulling out my piece, let my anger reload and release. I ain't never been a dog, no, 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 no. I ain't never been a dog, no, 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 no. I'm just a gentleman, I ain't never been a player. Let me show you my play skills, we can lay over the layers. Is it damage that's going in your heart? I ain't tryna play breath off, I can throw you real far. Let me get you in my car, look at that stars. When the lights go off, baby girl play offs. Do you know a real man? When you touch on a real man, can I show you what a real man really fucking do? Baby, I'm a fucking beast. I know you know when I'm speaking to you. I make your body cold chills, but it ain't nothing new to you. I know this can't be something you ain't never been through, but I can never be false, cause my life is nothing but the truth. Baby, have you ever been damaged? Play your body up and fold you like a sandwich. Kitchen to the kitchen, we be cooking and we whipping, baby girl, yeah, yeah, yeah. I ain't never been a dog, no, 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 no. I ain't never been a dog, no, 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 no. Baby, I'm a boss, show you how a boss move. Let me show you what a boss do. Said, baby, I'ma hold you down. Baby, I'ma hold you down. I'ma beat it through your pain and your pressure. I'ma beat it no matter what, I'm telling you, girl.